At Wren Kitchens, we pride ourselves on making the highest quality products expertly constructed at affordable prices. But not only that, we're also focused on minimising the impact the production of our kitchens and bedrooms has on the environment. We understand that our actions today determine the quality of our living space in the future. Therefore, the boards we use fully utilise the raw material wood in a closed cycle, from living tree in the forest to the finished product. By ensuring sustainably sourced materials, just-in-time manufacturing methods and resourceful waste management, Wren are able to offer kitchens and bedrooms that really don't cost the earth.
The quality boards that make up Wren's kitchen and bedroom cabinets are manufactured at Egger, in one of Europe's most technologically advanced wood production sites, situated in the north of England. So where does the wood we use actually come from? Well, 20% of it is roundwood from forests in the immediate proximity around the factory. Approximately 85% of this roundwood is FSC certified, which means that it meets the standards of the Forest Stewardship Council and has been sourced in an environmentally friendly and economically viable manner. The closed-loop cycle, from the raw material through to the end product, also provides an active environmental contribution towards the protection of our forests. 40% of the wood used by Wren is bought from sawmills, hack chips and sawdust that is a waste material for them. The majority of the wood used by these sawmills also comes from forests in the local area. Another contribution to the environment, the lorries that deliver these hack chips also take away the contaminants from Wren's recycling plant, ensuring that no vehicles are unnecessarily driving around empty. So that's a massive 60% of the wood that is raw material from local forests. The remaining 40% of the wood that we use is recycled, anything from packaging to unwanted furniture. This in turn reduces CO2 from the environment and conserves nature. Here at the Advanced Recycling Plant, they use environmentally friendly filtration technology to extract any impurities from the incoming recycled materials. This ensures that 97% of the recycled material does not go into landfill. Any wood materials that cannot be used materially are combusted in the on-site biomass power plant. The energy created through this is utilised for the drying of the cut timber and in the production of wood-based solutions. This plant supplies 80% of the factory's energy requirements. Hack chips and roundwood are stored in the immense log yard. Over 30,000 tonnes of raw wood materials can be delivered to the site in one day. Sawdust is stored indoors in order to avoid any wood particles getting into the atmosphere. The surface of the log yard is sloped so that all surface liquids are pumped into reed beds, which naturally cleanse the water before it passes through an outflow pipe into the River Tyne. This is a unique, environmentally friendly, sustainable urban drainage system. The wood is processed using special machinery, which chops it down to the required size. The wet chips then pass through dryers to remove moisture. After 20 minutes, the chips will have gone from 100% moisture to only 3%. These huge dryers are powered by the energy plant. Only clean steam is passed into the atmosphere due to a wet electrostatic precipitator, which washes out solid particles and wood fume impurities present in the steam that passes through the dryers. Once dry, the wood particles are mixed with resin before being formed into our finished boards. The materials used in the resin production, such as urea and formaldehyde, are tested in the on-site labs, ensuring that Wren remains environmentally sound.
Wren's contribution to the environment extends beyond the production of our boards. Not only is the wood we use environmentally sourced, it can also be recycled. So, when you fancy a change and choose a brand new Wren kitchen or bedroom, your old one could re-enter our environmentally friendly cycle as recycled wood and start the whole process again.